Hey guys, we're just up here
Yep, ready to go.
at the view.
Well, so much for that boat.
That was good.
There's Stanley Park, Vancouver.
We'll catch it up.
We're just heading up to Cyprus Mountain. Up there in the back. Gonna do some fun stuff up there. Go.
Hey guys, we're here to do the eagle ride in Cypress Hill, and it's so sick. I don't think I've ever been this high, like the height that we're gonna go. I never think I've ever been. But there's a cruise ship down there that looks super cool, crossing the bridge. And there's Stanley Park, there's Vancouver, there's English Bay. Yeah, and the view just looks great.
We're gonna be going up there.
Dad, I see Surrey. It's all the way over there.
That's Metrotown.
All the way over there?
No, it would be farther down.
I see it, Dad. I see the
Just going up. Going up the mountain. Getting higher, guys.
Sir.
We're almost at the top. Go.
Hey guys, we're at the top of Cypress Mountain. And we're about to go on the Eagle coaster.
Yeah, we're 3,000 feet in the sky, and we're about to go on that there.
We're 3,000 feet in the air.
Yeah, in the air.
We're gonna go up there for a ride.
And there's fresh water right there.
Okay, let's get going. Here we are, guys. Eagle Express for the Eagle Ridge ride. Cypress Mountain. It's up there. That's the view of the other side. That's the hill you walk down. You gotta get your tickets up there. And then over here. That's where you get on the gondola. Here we are, guys. We're on the gondola.
Yes, sir.
We're just heading up right now. And they wanted me to send you up here by yourselves. With no me.
Wow.
So I had to pay for myself too. Gave $100.80. Oh guys, I'm so scared I'm leaning back. What if I drop my phone here?
Imagine.
Here's the view from the back,
Dad would have
guys.
to get a new phone.
And we're going up.
Or they would have to buy Dad a new phone.
Hopefully Dad doesn't drop his phone at all. Nah, I'm scared.
No, this is not.
I should have sat in the middle maybe, guys, a little bit more.
I want to sit next to you.
Move over a little, Saxon.
Look at the carts down over there.
Oh, there they are, guys. That's what we're going to be coming down. Look, two people, you and Zayden and me, three people. Look, that guy's going to smash into that guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can go three at a time, guys.
Yeah.
So I was going to go in the back and video you guys, no?
Yeah.
Or should I go in the front?
Go in the front.
Why? Then how can I video?
Actually, do whatever you want. I don't know.
Imagine if this cable broke like it has. Guys, there's a movie called... Oh, it breaks too. They broke a few times actually.
Yeah?
With riders on them. In the movies, lots.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're getting up there, guys. There's the... You can't see
We're
the...
on flat ground on grass.
Yeah.
What?
Rocks anywhere. We're on flat ground on grass.
That's higher to fall though. That's probably backbreaker. Yeah.
Someone could just, so if baby was on here, just slip off.
Look at the view behind, guys.
Wow, we were just in that store.
Yeah, that's where the ticket office is.
Stop. Hold on, you're gonna slide off. Okay. There's two couples up there. Yeah.
I think next time I should sit in the middle, guys,
Yeah.
to balance it out. Oh no, it broke down, guys. We're stuck here for the whole day like in the movies.
Oh my god.
Are you scared, Zaid?
Yeah.
Let's look down. How far is it? Oh my lord. Oh, it's gone again. This lift may run in reverse. Oh my goodness. Oh.
This is like a dead zone.
Let's not drop the phone.
Yeah.
So, how's the day that Daddy took you on? Did you never ever expect this?
No, I never did.
And do you see how I'm always looking on the Facebook and apps everywhere to anything that shows something cool? And I found the Fun City. I found this.
Yeah.
I've been finding new, and those things have been around for like a year, and we don't even know about it.
Yeah. Woo! Put your hands up.
Put your hands up, Sid. What's there to be scared of?
I'm so nervous right now. My
I
head.
got you here.
No.
Don't do that, Zach.
What if I lifted it up right now?
I hope the ride's gonna be fun, eh, guys?
Yeah.
We're almost there, I think.
She lifted it up, I'll push you off.
I think we could
You
fall
heard
about it. No, not. That's still a big drop, eh, guys?
Yeah.
Remember that other guy jumped over the bridge, 60 feet down, Zach?
Mm-hmm.
That's far, eh, dude? 60 feet. How does he? I don't think so. They were still chasing him.
He was still walking.
Here's the end, guys.
Yeah, there's snow over there as well.
Keep going, the chair will chase you. You're right.
Run!
There's the. Unless they get sent up that way, and they get going down that way.
Full blast! Oh.
Well, what if they hear their sounds on the way down? Okay. Here we are, guys. Holy moly. Holy holies. Gonna have to redo the video, guys. The holding it sideways was just too screwed. This is it. I bet you Zayden's having a blast. He was so scared. I bet you they put the brakes on. Whoa, guys, we're going full speed here. Oh shit! I lost my hat, man. That sucks. Damn. This shit. I lost my hat, guys. Oh my God. These are the corners. I'm worried. Oh, I pulled back a little bit on the corners because I'm the maximum weight limit this thing can do. Oh my Lord. Oh, there's a bear. Oh, I had it zoomed in, guys. I didn't even know that. Crap. You know, those kids didn't even stop. Holy shit. Holy crap. That was serious stuff. I had to actually put the brake on. Holy shit. Holy crappers. Oh my lordies. Holy crap. This is pretty good. Actually, whoa. Whoa, shit, guys. That was like, I almost got thrown out. Oh man, lucky I pulled back on the brake. This is with the thing going slower, and holy crap. Jesus, Murphy. Holy shit, that was scary, guys. That part there. I guess those other guys must have been not going full speed. Holy crappers. We're full speed ahead now. Holy crap. Holy craps. Holy crappers. Holy crappers. Holy crappers. We're almost at the end, guys. It goes anyway.
Wait here. This is good.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I gotta take off the seatbelt first.
Dad, was this scary?
Yeah, I almost got thrown out on that one corner. And my seatbelt wasn't even very tight. And then I had the camera in my hand.
I was so scared.
I actually I thought I was gonna die. Did you pull back? I had to pull back all the time.
No, I was like flying through. I was like, oh, he's totally not. No, every time I wanted to stop, it said don't stop. So I had to keep on going.
I didn't want
Yeah.
to.
I screamed a couple of times.
I didn't even
Cut
stop.
the corner. Because I had to.
Want to go again, Dad?
Rich, be quiet. We paid for two.
Oh yeah, we did take.
And I didn't get down here in time to make the video. I saw my hat. I was gonna stop and grab it, but
I saw your hat.
I saw it too.